guys, welcome to the Beginner's Jazz Drumming Course, a study designed for students who are just starting out and want to learn how to play jazz. So, have you ever had the fantasy of being a drummer? Maybe you're a school teacher or a construction worker or a plumber or work in an office, but you've always had the itch to play the drums. Or maybe you're a drummer, but you always wanted to play jazz, but you thought, oh, it's too complicated, I could never do that, I don't understand anything. Well, I have the course for you. You're going to learn right from the start, like as if you know nothing, how to hold the sticks, how to read the most simple type of reading. Then you'll learn some really simple beats from the rock and funk feel, and then we'll start climbing into the jazz with the swing feel. We'll learn how to play some blues. We'll learn how to play some rudiments. If you're the guy that already plays the drums, but you're afraid of playing jazz or it intimidates you, well, we're going to learn just what you need to do to get over the hump. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up. You're still there. Sign up. Push the link and sign up. Hope to see you soon.